Students, my name is M.S. Abdul Rasul, lecturer in chemistry, Vignan Cooperative Junior College, Kodlamudi. Okay, we are going to start the new lesson, alcohols. In the alcohols chapter, the main contents are: number one is the introduction of alcohols. Second one is classification of alcohols. Third one is nomenclature. Fourth one is structure of functional group. Fifth one is preparation of alcohols. Sixth one, physical properties of alcohols. Seventh one is chemical properties. So any chapter we have to discuss about the first of all introduction of that chapter. After that, classification, nomenclature, structure of what is the functional group, and preparation of alcohols and physical and chemical properties. What are the alcohols? Alcohols are defined as the hydroxyl derivatives of hydrocarbons. Hydroxyl derivatives of hydrocarbons are called alcohols. These alcohols are obtained by the replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms from hydrocarbons to hydrocarbons with OH group. I want to write the formula hydrocarbon or H. RH gives rise to ROH. Here in this reaction, what will happen here? H atom is replaced, minus H and plus OH group. So one or more hydrogen atoms are replaced with hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl group means what? OH group. So the compounds, alcohols are the compounds which are obtained by the replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms with hydroxyl group. So these alcohols, if alcoholic group, OH group is attached to the saturated hydrocarbon, we are said to be alcohols. The compounds in which the hydroxyl group is attached to the saturated hydrocarbon are called alcohols. Saturated hydrocarbon means what? That is, carbon must be undergoes sp3 hybridization. So I want to write the example of this alcohol is CH3OH. The name of this compound is methanol. And C2H5OH. C2H5OH is the name of compound is ethanol. In these compounds, I want to take this example CH3OH. Here in the CH3OH structure, OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon. That means OH group is attached to the saturated carbon atom in the compound are said to be alcohols. Next, what are the enols? Enols means what? The OH group is attached to the unsaturated carbon. That means double bond carbon are called enols. Example, CH2 double bond CHOH. Here OH group is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon. That means this is the unsaturated carbon. Why it is unsaturated carbon? It contains less number of hydrogen atom than required number, hence it is said to be unsaturated hydrocarbon. If OH group is attached to the unsaturated carbon, then these compounds are said to be enol. En means double bond, ol means OH group. So the name of this compound is vinyl alcohol. Right, understand. After that, we have to discuss about the what alcohols, the isomerism in alcohols. Isomerism, we know that compounds having same molecular formula but differ in the structures and properties are called isomers, and the phenomenon is known as what isomerism. Right, understand. So, alcohols undergoes what type of isomerism exhibited by alcohols? Number one is chain isomerism. Chain isomerism. Chain isomerism. Chain isomerism. Chain isomerism means what? Here the carbon chain length will be difference. I want to write the compound CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. The name of this compound is N-butanol. N-butanol. N-butanol and CH3, CH3, CH2OH. This compound is said to be what? 2-methyl propanol. 2-methyl propanol is the what? Both are having same molecular formula C4H9OH. Both are having same molecular formula but differ with what length of the carbon chain. Hence they are called chain isomers. Second type of isomerism exhibited by alcohols are the what? Position isomerism. Position isomerism. Position isomerism means the position of substituent or functional group is different. Position of substituent or functional group is different. So for this one, 1 propanol, 2 propanol are the examples. 1 propanol, this one here, this one is the what? 2 propanol, CHOH and CH3. Here 1 propanol, the first position. 2 propanol, that is the second position. So position of functional group is changed. Hence it is said to be what? A positional isomerism. Next one is what? A functional group isomerism. Functional group isomerism. Functional group isomerism means what? Compounds having same molecular formula but differ their functional nature of the functional group. Alcohols are functional isomers with what? Ethers. I want to write the what formula, molecular formula C2H6O. It can be written like this: CH3, CH3O, CH3, dimethyl ether. The second one is ethyl alcohol. Both are having same molecular formula C2H6O, but the nature of the functional group ether, and this one is the what? Alcohol. So alcohols are functional isomers with what? Ethers. So how many types of isomerisms are there? There are 3 types of isomerism exhibited by alcohols: chain isomers, positional isomers, and functional group isomers. Chain isomers are differ in the what? Length of the carbon chain. Chain isomerism is due to difference in the length of the carbon chain. Right, understand? And second one is the what? Positional isomerism. Positional isomerism means what? A position of the substituent or multiple bond or functional group is different. Then the compounds are said to be what? Positional isomers. So 1 propanol is the first position of OH group and 2 propanol is the second position of OH group. Both are differ with the position of the functional group. First position, second position. Due to difference in the position of the functional group, then they exhibit the what? Positional isomerism. Right, understand? Okay. Third one is the what? Functional group isomerism. Functional group isomerism means functional, both are having same molecular formula. This one is the what? Dimethyl ether, and this one is the ethyl alcohol. Both are having same molecular formula but different in the nature of the functional group are said to be what? Functional group isomerism. Students, after the introduction of alcohols, then we are going to start about the classification of alcohols. Classification of alcohols based on the number of OH groups. On the basis of number of OH groups, alcohols are classified on the basis of OH groups. Number of OH groups. First of all, monohydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols means the alcohols which contains only one hydrogen atom, only one OH group are called monohydric alcohols. For example, CH3OH. This compound methanol contains only one hydrogen OH group, hydroxyl group, methanol. So second one is C2H5OH. This one is the ethanol. Ethanol also having the same only one OH group. If alcohols which contains only one OH group are called monohydric alcohols. Second one is dihydric alcohols. Dihydric alcohols means what? The alcohols which contains two hydroxyl groups are called dihydric alcohols. For these dihydric alcohols, the example is ethylene glycol. The formula of ethylene glycol is CH2OH, single bond CH2OH. Ethylene glycol. Gly means what? Di. Two OH groups are present, then they are said to be what? Glycols. Right? Understand? Based on the number of hydroxyl groups, alcohols are classified as monohydric alcohols, dihydric alcohols, and third one is trihydric alcohols. Trihydric alcohols. Trihydric alcohols means what? The compounds which contain three OH groups, three hydroxyl groups are called trihydric alcohols. Example for trihydric alcohol is CH2OH, CH2OH. Right? Understand? The compound which contains three hydroxyl groups are called trihydric alcohol. The name of this compound is glycerol. Glycerol means what? Three hydroxyl groups. Next, fourth one is polyhydric alcohols. Poly means what? Polyhydric alcohols. Polyhydric alcohols, the alcohols, they contain more number of hydroxyl groups. They are called polyhydric alcohols. I can write here general formula RCH2 CHOH R. So here the number of OH groups are n times, then it is said to be what? Monopolyhydric alcohols. Based depending upon the number of OH groups, the alcohols are may be classified as monohydric alcohols, dihydric alcohols, trihydric alcohols, polyhydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols means what? The alcoholic compounds which contains only one OH group. They are called what? Monohydric alcohol. Mono means what? Single. Hydric OH group. Hydric means OH group. So dihydric alcohols. Di means what? Two. Hydric means what? OH group. Compounds, alcoholic compounds which contain two OH groups. They are called what? Dihydric alcohol. Example is ethylene glycol. Next, trihydric alcohols. Trihydric alcohols are the what? The alcohols which contain three hydroxyl groups are called trihydric alcohols. These are the what? Example for trihydric alcohols: glycerol. Polyhydric alcohols are the what? The organic compounds which contains more than three alcoholic OH groups are said to be what? Polyhydric alcohols. Example this one, general example, or CH2CHOH taken n times R. Here n times means what? Here more number of OH groups. Students, monohydric alcohols are further classified on the basis of hybridization. So here compounds containing sp3COH bond. In these compounds, in this classification, number one type is alcohols. The compounds in which hydroxyl group OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom of alkyl group. sp3 hybridized carbon atom of alkyl group. So I will take here example CH3CH2OH. This is your sp3 hybridized carbon, right? This is the what? Alcohols in which OH group is directly attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom of alkyl group are said to be alcohols. These alcohols are further classified into primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols depending upon the nature of carbon atom. Suppose you have to observe this one. This alcohol name is ethyl alcohol. Here OH group is attached to the 1 degree carbon. Therefore this alcohol is called primary alcohol, or 1 degree alcohol. Suppose if you replace the water hydrogen atom here, then you will get here CH3, one group is substituted in place of hydrogen. Then we can say it as what? A secondary alcohol. That means the alcoholic group is attached to the 2 degree carbon. Next, tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol means here this also hydrogen also replaced with CH3 group. Then we will get here tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol means 3 degree alcohol. Depending upon the nature of the carbon atom, monohydric alcohols, primary alcohols, secondary alcohols, tertiary alcohols. In this way we have to classify it. Students, classification based on the hybridization. Second type is what? Allylic alcohols. Allylic alcohols means the compounds which contains hydroxyl group directly attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom and next to carbon-carbon double bond. These alcohols are called allylic alcohol. Example, allylic alcohol is CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2OH. Here the hydroxyl group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon. Then next to C double bond C. Then the alcohols which contains hydroxyl group at sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to C double bond C are called allylic alcohols. Allylic alcohols. Next one is benzylic alcohols. Benzylic alcohols. Benzylic alcohols. In these compounds, benzylic alcohols, the compounds which contains OH group is directly attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to benzene ring. The example for this benzylic alcohol is what? Benzyl chloride. The structure of benzyl chloride I can draw like this. This is the what? Your benzene ring. This is your benzyl group and OH group. Here what will happen here? OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon. Next to what is there? Aromatic ring. The name of this compound is benzyl alcohol. So based on the hybridization, compounds which containing sp3 COH bonds are what? First of all alcohols, second one is allylic alcohols, third one is benzylic alcohols. Allylic alcohol, example allyl alcohol. This name is what? Allyl alcohol. Allyl alcohol. Right, understand? Then benzyl alcohol means what? OH group is directly attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to benzene ring. These are called what? Benzylic alcohol. Next we have to go to compounds containing sp2COH bond. Students, after knowing the classification, compounds which containing sp3COH bond, let us go to discuss about the compounds containing sp2COH bond. So there are two types of compounds are there which contains sp2COH bonds. So first one is vinyl alcohol. Vinyl alcohol. Vinyl alcohol means what? Here vinyl alcohol, the OH group is directly attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of C double bond C are called vinyl alcohols. Let us take the vinyl alcohol example CH2 double bond CHOH. This one here OH group is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of C double bond C. Right, understand? Okay, it's all right. Second one is phenols. Phenols means the OH group is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aromatic ring. They are called phenols. So you have to write the benzene ring first. After that OH group is placed. This OH group is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aromatic ring. This type of alcohols are said to be what? Phenols. This is our classification of alcohols. We discussed about the classification of alcohols. In this session, we have to discuss about the nomenclature of alcohols. Nomenclature of alcohols, naming of alcohols are two types: common names and IUPAC names. Common names of alcohols are alkyl alcohols. Alkyl alcohols are the what? Common name. IUPAC name of alcohols. or alkanols. Alkanols. Right? Understand? So this let us discuss some example. First of all, I want to take this one. This is the what CH3, CH2, CH2OH. We have to how we are going to write the what nomenclature of this compound. So first of all, select the longest chain, longest continuous chain. So this one is one to longest chain. So three carbon atoms are present in the longest chain. Then we will get here prop is the root word and C single bonds are C, N and OH group is there all. But you have to write the position of OH group. One wall. This is the IUPAC name, but common name is what? Propyl alcohol. Propyl alcohol. Alkyl alcohol is the what common name. IUPAC name of this compound is propane one wall. Let us take one more example. So CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. Here the name of a common name is N-butyl alcohol. But IUPAC name we have to must and should give the numbering of the carbon chain and position of OH group must be mentioned. So there are four carbon atoms are there in the longest chain. We can say root word bute. Single bonds are there N and OH group is present at the first position butane one whole. Okay. By N butyl alcohol. N means what? A straight chain. If branches are there, second position there is a methyl group is there, then we can say iso. Suppose cyclic alcohols are there, you have cyclic alcohols, we can write it like this. Cyclo prefix cyclo, 6 carbon atoms are there in the ring, hex, single bonds are there, hexanol, cyclohexanol. So I want to write another example for the cyclic compounds. 1, 2 methyl cyclopentanol. Right? Understand? This is the way to classify the alcohols. In the IUPAC system, we have to say that alkanols. In the common name system, alkyl alcohols. These are the two ways of nomenclature are there. Right? Understand? Suppose double bond compound is there, then we have to find out the what position of double bond is also. CH2, CH3, CH2, CH double bond, CH single bond, CH2, OH. Then this is the functional group. Functional group gets a list number while numbering the carbon chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms are there. So 5 carbon atoms, root word is the what? Pent, and double bond position 2 in 1 wall. Okay, students, the structure of functional group of alcohols. For example, let us discuss about the what methanol structure. In the methanol, the OH group is attached to this one is what sp3 hybridized carbon. Right? Understand? This sp3 hybridized carbon, the OH bond length in this structure is 96 pm and CO bond length is 142 pm. If compound undergoes sp3 hybridization, the bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. But a little bit bond angle will be decreased. Why it happens like that? Here there are two lone pairs are present on the oxygen sp3 hybridized carbon. Due to repulsions of lone pair of electrons, the bond angle will be reduced to 108.9 degrees. 108.9 degrees. This is the what structure of functional group of alcohol. Okay, let us understand about that one. this carbon atom is undergoes sp3 hybridization. If molecule undergoes sp3 hybridization, the bond angle must be 109 degrees 28 minutes. But here in the bond angle COOH bond angle is 108.9 degrees due to repulsions between the lone pair repulsions are greater. The OH bond length in this molecule is methanol is 96 pm and CO bond length is 142 pm.